Hello guys, today we are going to open these two pouches. I don't know she's saying. Okay, let's open it. Surprise inside. Surprise inside. Surprise. Okay, let's open it. Hey, which one first? I think this. Okay, let's open it. Let's open. Look at this. I just made this. Okay, you know. Where is it? Agnes, come in. Look at. Okay. She just surprised them. She just looked up. Okay. Okay, a clip. Okay. It looks beautiful. She don't have hair. Okay. Straw. Yay, straw. Okay. Only this one. Okay. Next pouch. This. Okay. Let's open. Okay.
Like you want my man? What the fuck?
What is this? Give me an original Uma. This is good. Let's go. Look. She loved that one. Okay, I will show you. It's good. Shall we? Love it? Love it? Okay. Next one. Oh, look at a list on here. Yeah, I will say to tell you. This is Open East. Open it. I will show you like this. She don't know. This is, I will show you. Okay. I paint. I love my family. I just made this. They have a sticker on, peel and stick that. It's good. I will show you how to. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Peel. I love this. I have so many. I will show you next time. She don't know how to say. They have a rubber. Let's go. I will show you all things. This is a clip. This is a painting. Hey. They have straw, have painting, a clip, and eraser. Ta-da! 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 Love you. Smash the subscribe button. Okay. Smash the subscribe button. Okay. Like it. Bye-bye. I'll show you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you all. She kissed me on here. Okay. Ta-da.
Ta-da.
Love you all. Bye-bye.